Once upon a time, whipped cream required a sturdy arm and a lot of stirring. It's little wonder grocery store options took off. But if you're limiting yourself to cans from the store, you're missing out. Homemade whipped cream is not only way tastier, but it's also more versatile. You can cut down on sugar, for example, or add extracts for flavor. While you can whip cream by hand or with an electric mixer, by far the quickest way to whip cream at home is with a dispenser. Many dispensers go way beyond just whipped cream. Depending on the model, you can also put other liquids in the canister to make foams, whipped icing, mousse, and more. For fans of fine dining, a single canister can open up a world of foods once only available at 5-star restaurants. But even if you just want to make your ice cream sundaes a little more special, a whipped cream dispenser is worth adding to your kitchen tools.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best whipped cream dispenser. So let's get started. Number 5. EurKitchen Whipped Cream Dispenser. This good-looking black whipper does the job at an affordable price. It has an aluminum head and body with reinforced threads that make it more durable than similar low-cost options with plastic heads. Since aluminum is lighter than stainless steel, it's easier to use for longer periods, and the lacquered finish will stay attractive over time. After filling, emptying, washing, and reloading the whipper countless times for several weeks, our tester declared this model more than adequate for home use. The possibilities for cold concoctions are endless, although our tester couldn't make butter, as the manual suggested only very dense whipped cream. Included are 3 decorating tips and a brush for cleaning them. The container easily rinses clean and should only be hand-washed. Number 4. ISI Gourmet Whipped Culinary. Most cream whippers are designed for cold use for making whipped cream, mousses, or chilled frothy sauces. This whipper takes it a step further since you can also use it for making warm froths and whips. Even if that's something you don't think you'll need, it also ensures that the whipper is made to high-quality standards. When you decide to make a warm foam to top your coffee, you'll be ready. This has a stainless steel bottle and head designed for professional use and is dishwasher safe. The stainless steel is stain-resistant and non-reactive, so you can load it with acidic liquids and store it in the refrigerator with no worries about oxidation or off flavors. The ISI Gourmet Whip includes 3 different stainless steel tips: star, straight, and tulip, and a cleaning brush, chargers, and charger holder. This 1-pint whipper is the perfect size for most home uses in kitchens. Number 3. ZOEMO Professional Whipped Cream Dispenser. This cute little 0.5-pint whipper takes less storage space than larger models, but it still produces plenty of whipped cream for chilled family desserts. If you're serving a lot of guests, just refill, recharge, and keep dispensing. It's made from aluminum and includes 3 different plastic decorating tips to make your desserts look pretty. Since aluminum is lightweight, and this is just a 0.5-pint dispenser, it's easier to hold than heavier whippers. In tests, plain whipped cream came out feather-light and extra aerated. However, the ZOEMO dispenser struggled to whip denser chocolate whipped cream. Only 1 nitrous oxide charger should be used with this canister size, and our tester found it's best to stick with regular creams flavored with extracts and smooth juices. Number 2. Otis Classic Whipped Cream Dispenser. Bring your whipped cream flourishes to a new level with this commercial-grade whipper that includes 7 different tip styles. This is made from food-grade stainless steel that won't stain or react with acidic foods, so your lime mousse can be refrigerated in the whipper without worries about oxidation or off flavors. While testing, we also noticed that this dispenser whipped regular whipped cream and a denser chocolate whipped cream with ease. The Otis dispenser includes 6 interchangeable colored silicone bands for a secure grip. If you've got more than one whipper, you can use the bands to color code the containers to know which one has the chocolate mousse, lemon mousse, or sweetened whipped cream. The tips include 3 decorating nozzles for making fancy whipped cream designs and 4 injector nozzles, which our tester noted were all made of metal and much sturdier than the plastic nozzles included in other sets. The injector nozzles are especially handy for filling cannolis, eclairs, donuts, or cupcakes with whipped cream or mousse. A cleaning brush for the nozzles is also included. Number 1. ISI Cream Profi Whip. If you're looking for a professional quality cream whipper that will last for years, look no further. The head and body of this dispenser are made from top-notch stainless steel. There's a removable piston and a silicone seal with a quick release tab, so you can clean every little space quickly and easily. Since stainless steel won't stain, retain odors, or react with acidic foods, you can leave your lemon mousse mixture chilling in the container in the fridge with no worries about oxidation or off flavors. When we tested this canister with plain and flavored whipped cream, the results came out fluffy, and the process was quick. If you are looking for a denser whipped cream, our tester found you could simply do some additional shaking. Our tester particularly liked the professional quality of the design and build and found it worthy of its price tag. This includes a decorator tip with stainless steel threads for secure attachment and a cleaning brush. It is entirely dishwasher safe, but it is also easy to rinse clean and wash in warm soapy water. For professional use, it is NSF certified. That was our list of the top 5 best whipped cream dispenser just for you.